Welcome to the wild side. It's time to plan a jungle safari adventure party. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your space into a lush tropical jungle filled with excitement, color, and animal magic. Start by choosing earthy tones. Think deep greens, warm browns, and touches of gold. Use leafy garlands, jungle vines, and oversized tropical leaves to create a canopy effect. This will instantly make your guests feel like they've stepped into the rainforest. Build an epic backdrop for photos using animal print fabrics, faux vines, and a big "Welcome to the Jungle" sign. Add giant stuffed safari animals like lions, zebras, and elephants to complete the scene. For table settings, use wooden chargers, bamboo plates, and animal print napkins. Centerpieces can be small potted plants or toy jungle animals placed among faux moss and greenery. Add themed snacks like banana cupcakes, animal-shaped cookies, and tropical fruit skewers. Don't forget fun jungle drinks, coconut water or pineapple juice served in hollowed-out coconuts for that authentic tropical vibe. Set the mood with jungle sound effects, upbeat tribal-inspired music, and warm ambient lighting to make your safari come alive. Finally, prepare some adventure-themed games like Safari Treasure Hunt or Animal Mass Making to keep the fun going all day. This jungle safari adventure party isn't just decoration, it's an immersive experience your guests will remember forever. Get ready to explore, play, and party like wild adventurers.